Finance Minister Godongwana does not expect South Africa's case against Israel to affect its investment bid at the World Economic Forum. That's according to a MoneyWeb report. The annual WEF meeting is set to take place from the 15th to the 19th of January in Davos, Switzerland. Godongwana is set to sell South Africa as an important investment destination and expects no hostility from investors and world leaders who will assemble at the event next week. 15 months after Tongaat Hewlett entered business rescue, the rescue plan has finally been accepted. The business rescue practitioners announced that 98.5% of Tongaat's creditors have voted in favour of the Vision Party's rescue plan. Tongaat is said to be bought by a consortium of companies led by Robert Gumede, the founder of the Gijima Group. The plan offers more job security for tens of thousands of people whose livelihoods depend on the industry in KwaZulu-Natal. And Merafe has reported a production slump. The miner, which is a junior empowerment partner in a chrome joint venture with Glencore, says output at that operation decreased 22% for the year. That's as the firm pulled back in response to market conditions, and it decided to operate just one smelter over the winter season as a way to mitigate high power prices. Schroder's property portfolio has been independently valued. As at 31 December 2023, the Real Estate Investment Trust's direct property portfolio was valued at 210 million euros. That's a like-for-like decrease over the quarter of 1.8%. The decline was led by valuation decreases in both the firm's office and industrial properties. Given the new valuation, Schroder's loans to value is at approximately 33%. Looking ahead, the REIT says it remains well positioned with significant cash reserves, and so it will continue to review investment in the portfolio, which will optimize earning growth and asset liquidity. And further afield, China's exports grew at a faster pace in December. This while deflationary pressures persisted last month, keeping alive expectations for more policy easing measures. Here's more detail in this package report.
Chinese exports picked up in December, spelling relief for policymakers. Overseas shipments rose 2.3% on the year. That was better than forecast and far faster than the month before. Imports also grew. But officials warned that growing protectionism and events like the Red Sea ship attacks still pose risks to a recovery. Economists said the December gains were driven by chips and electronics and came as overseas demand starts to recover. It follows data from South Korea, Germany and other major exporters in suggesting that global trade is beginning to bounce back. It will also be a relief for Beijing after exports fell last year for the first time since 2016. The picture on China's domestic economy is less encouraging though. Consumer prices fell for a third month in December, while factory gate prices extended a decline now going back more than a year. China watchers say demand is still weak, with the turmoil in the property sector among factors to sap confidence. Many think that will force Beijing into more stimulus measures. Analysts at UBS say more steps are needed to boost household spending and eliminate deflation.